Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I finally have the brand new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and in this video I'll share my first impression after spending some time with it. And honestly, this already feels like a true Ultra flagship. If you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. Let's waste no more time and let's dive deep into the video. First with the color, just look at this Cobalt Violet color. It looks awesome, but once the light hits it, the finish really stands out. Samsung has kept the matte texture so the fingerprints are minimal and the phone feels very premium in hand. Build quality feels solid and refined, exactly what you can expect from the Ultra device. Though the design with the S25 Ultra had the square edges, this time with the S26 Ultra, Samsung has made that edges a bit round and softer and nice to hold. This year's main talking point is the display. Yes, you're right. Now coming to the one of the biggest upgrade this year was the privacy display screen. You get a massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel which looks incredibly sharp, bright and smooth. But the highlight is the Samsung's new privacy display feature. This can enable directly from the quick settings toggle. Once activated, the screen limits the visibility from the side angles, meaning the people beside you cannot clearly see your content. You still get the full brightness and clarity when viewing straight on, making it perfect for banking apps, messaging or walking in public places. Samsung is clearly focusing more on a real-world privacy this year. Now let's talk about the cameras, because this year Samsung has slightly redesigned the backside of the S26 Ultra. Instead of completely floating the lens, the S26 Ultra now uses the refined camera island, grouping the sensor for better protection and stability. So the rear camera has a 200 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide camera, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto up to 5x optical zoom, and 10 megapixel telephoto lens up to 3x optical zoom. Samsung is also pushing the AI photography improvements for the zoom clarity, night shots and video stabilization. Well, the front camera is the same 12 megapixel selfie camera with the improved video calling and low light performance. And of course, the S Pen remains one of the biggest advantage of Ultra lineup. Perfect for notes, editing photos, assigning documents or precise control, and latency feels extremely responsive. Now let's quickly talk about the storage option and the pricing in Singapore, because this is important if you are planning to buy one. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra comes in three storage variants. 256 GB is a default storage, followed by 512 GB and 1 terabyte. And the pricing in the Singapore starts around 1900 for 256 GB model, while the 512 GB and 1 terabyte version go higher depending on the storage choices. Since there are no micro SD cards supported, choosing the right storage upfront becomes very important, especially if you are planning to shoot a lot of 4K or 8K videos using these cameras. Personally, if you take a lot of photos or videos, the 512 GB variant feels like a sweet spot. So these are my first impression of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Beautiful cobalt violet finish, new privacy display features, a redesigned camera system. So these are my first impression of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Beautiful cobalt violet finish, new privacy display feature, redesigned camera system, powerful cameras, and the productivity of the S Pen. This definitely feels like Samsung refining the Ultra experience further. Full camera and performance review coming soon, so make sure to subscribe.